No, can't believe I just did that. Are you kidding me? No.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. The jacket saved me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I hit the front brake and it straightened me out. No, this isn't how I wanted today to go. Exactly why I bought that vest.
Yeah.
It saved me, literally. Lifesaver right here. I hope my helmet's okay.
I can't believe you didn't get, like...
I was coming in really hot and focused on all that I was going into, and I just went into it. I was like,
That's what happened.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, we're good. I'm good.
Okay.
I had my vest on. Saved me.
Okay, so you don't need medical response?
No, I'm good.